Introduction to Custom Reminders in Apple Calendar.
The type of Apple Calendar is a powerful tool for managing your schedule. Setting up custom reminders helps you stay on track with important events and tasks. In this tutorial, you'll learn step by step how to create reminders that fit your needs, whether for meetings, appointments, or daily to-dos.
Accessing your calendar events and tasks.
To start, open the Apple Calendar app on your device. Find the event or task you want to set a reminder for, or create a new one by choosing the date and tapping the plus sign. After naming your event or task, you're ready to add a personalized reminder.
Adding and customizing reminders.
Tap on your event or task, then select Add Alert or Edit if you're changing an existing one. You'll see options like at time of event, 5 minutes before, or 1 day before. To create a custom time, choose Custom and set the exact moment you want to be reminded.
Advanced options for reminders.
You can add multiple reminders for a single event, helpful for important deadlines. Set one for a day before and another an hour before, for example. For recurring events, choose the Repeat option so the reminder applies every time the event occurs, keeping you organized long-term.
Tips for efficient reminder management.
To avoid notification overload, customize the alert sounds or choose the type of alert you receive. Regularly review your reminders to keep them up to date. Using Siri, you can even set reminders with your voice, making the process faster and more convenient.
Conclusion: stay on top of your schedule.
Custom reminders in Apple Calendar ensure you never miss an important event or task. With just a few taps, you can personalize your alerts and streamline your daily routine. Try these tips to take control of your schedule and boost your productivity